It was a joyous moment for communities in Kandas and Weitin who welcomed the 15 boats with great hype. For these people, transport has been the only source to access health services, education and others.
Road me, right. I must play some road me start bushi karamabim. So maybe say some solwara dasal.
Prior in receiving these boats, people walk for hours because of lack of proper roads. For most communities, banana boats play a crucial role in helping people access basic services.
Transport problem, pleasant side lo Olman. Sabla lapuno, sabla uliang pala, time transport arablong kamlo usigan. All that cholo police.
Laka Forest Development Limited is the local landowner company at the forefront to establish the Conagil oil pump project through a partnership with developer Million Plus Corporation. Laka's board of directors will manage the boat's operations.
Yes, am I right? You walk money logan, carry passenger. Am you right? That's all. My mama got sick, beginning got sick. You carry one free, go house sick.
The boats will be distributed to each ward council, with Schnaubelt centers and schools given the top priority.
And cost of 232,000 kina. And 24,000 kina plus the one per boat.
Late last year, a similar presentation was done for wards in Kandas and Laka. The recent presentation now brings to a total of 15 banana boats.
But yeah, long-term plan, and medium-term plan, and also short-term plan, that's all.
Jack Lapave Jr. National, EMTV News.